In the world of DevOps, agents play a crucial role in automating build and release pipelines. These agents, whether GitHub runners or Azure DevOps agents, execute tasks defined in your CI/CD pipelines. Understanding how to design and implement an efficient agent infrastructure is key to ensuring smooth and reliable software delivery. This presentation will guide you through the essential aspects of setting up and maintaining a robust agent infrastructure, including cost considerations, tool selection, licensing, connectivity, and maintainability. GitHub runners are the underlying workers that execute the jobs in your GitHub Actions workflows. They can be hosted by GitHub or self-hosted. Hosted runners are managed by GitHub and come with pre-installed software, while self-hosted runners are managed by you, offering more control and customization. Choosing between these options depends on your specific needs, such as the level of control required, cost constraints, and the complexity of your workflows. Azure DevOps agents are similar to GitHub runners but are used within the Azure DevOps ecosystem. These agents can also be Microsoft-hosted or self-hosted. Microsoft-hosted agents are convenient and come with a broad range of pre-installed tools, while self-hosted agents provide greater flexibility and control over the environment. The choice between these options will depend on factors like cost, required software, and the need for custom configurations. Cost is a significant factor when designing your agent infrastructure. Hosted runners and agents typically incur usage-based costs, which can add up depending on the frequency and duration of your builds. Self-hosted options might require upfront investment in hardware and ongoing maintenance costs. It's essential to analyze your usage patterns and budget to determine the most cost-effective solution. Additionally, consider potential hidden costs, such as network bandwidth, storage, and licensing fees. Selecting the right tools for your agent infrastructure is crucial. For GitHub runners, you might need tools like Docker, Node.js, or Python, depending on your workflows. Azure DevOps agents might require additional tools like Visual Studio, Netcore, or Azure CLI. Ensure that the tools you select are compatible with your build and release processes. Additionally, consider the ease of updating and maintaining these tools over time to avoid disruptions in your CI/CD pipelines. Licensing is another critical aspect to consider. Both GitHub and Azure DevOps offer different licensing models for their hosted and self-hosted agents. For example, GitHub provides a certain amount of free minutes for hosted runners, but additional usage requires a subscription. Azure DevOps offers similar models with free tier limits and paid options for higher usage. Ensure you understand the licensing terms and conditions to avoid unexpected costs and compliance issues. Connectivity is vital for the smooth operation of your agents. Ensure that your self-hosted agents have reliable network connections to access necessary resources, such as repositories, package feeds, and external services. For hosted agents, verify that your network policies allow communication with GitHub or Azure DevOps servers. Additionally, consider security measures like VPNs, firewalls, and network segmentation to protect your infrastructure from unauthorized access and potential threats. Maintaining and scaling your agent infrastructure is essential for long-term success. Regularly update your agents and tools to ensure compatibility with the latest software and security patches. Implement monitoring and logging to track agent performance and identify issues early. For scalability, consider using containerized agents or cloud-based solutions that can dynamically scale based on demand. This approach helps manage costs and ensures that your infrastructure can handle peak loads efficiently. Security should be a top priority when designing your agent infrastructure. For self-hosted agents, ensure that the underlying systems are hardened and regularly patched. Use secure communication protocols like HTTPS and SSH for data transmission. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, to limit access to your agents and sensitive data. Additionally, consider using secrets management tools to securely store and manage credentials and other sensitive information used by your agents. Effective monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining a healthy agent infrastructure. Use monitoring tools to track the performance and availability of your agents. Set up alerts to notify you of any issues, such as high CPU usage, memory leaks, or network connectivity problems. Logging is equally important for troubleshooting and auditing purposes. Ensure that logs are stored securely and are easily accessible for analysis. This proactive approach helps in quickly identifying and resolving issues, ensuring smooth pipeline execution. Disaster recovery planning is essential to ensure business continuity in case of failures. Develop a comprehensive disaster recovery plan that includes backup strategies for your self-hosted agents and critical data. For hosted agents, understand the provider's disaster recovery policies and ensure they meet your requirements. Regularly test your disaster recovery procedures to ensure they work as expected. This preparation helps minimize downtime and data loss, ensuring that your CI/CD pipelines can recover quickly from unexpected events. Let's look at a case study of a successful implementation of a GitHub runner and Azure DevOps agent infrastructure. A mid-sized tech company needed to streamline its CI/CD processes. They opted for a hybrid approach, using both GitHub-hosted runners for quick, low-maintenance tasks and self-hosted Azure DevOps agents for more complex, resource-intensive builds. By carefully analyzing their needs, they balanced cost, control, and performance. Regular monitoring and a robust disaster recovery plan ensured high availability and reliability, leading to faster release cycles and improved software quality. In conclusion, designing and implementing a GitHub runner or Azure DevOps agent infrastructure requires careful consideration of various factors, including cost, tool selection, licensing, connectivity, and maintainability. By following best practices such as regular updates, robust security measures, effective monitoring, and disaster recovery planning, you can ensure a reliable and efficient CI/CD pipeline. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding your specific needs and continuously optimizing your infrastructure to meet those needs. This approach will help you achieve seamless software delivery and drive business success.